It's 11:40 at night. The whole house is at rest except one thing, a mother's mind. कल बेटे का टिफिन, परसों बेटी का प्रोजेक्ट, 11th को मेरे ऑफिस प्रोजेक्ट की डेडलाइन, अरे हाउस हेल्प ने कल छुट्टी बोला था और इस हफ्ते फादर इन लॉ का बीपी भी चेक कराना है। और इन सब के बीच में एक छोटा सा थॉट, मैंने आज खुद पानी भी पिया कि नहीं ठीक से। आपके साथ भी होता है ऐसा? Mothers, there is a name for this now. It's called the invisible load of motherhood. The reality nobody really talks about. Psychologists have actually studied this for a long time now. And what they found is interesting. This tiredness in mothers has very little to do with how many hours they work. But it has everything to do with how many hours her mind never got to switch off. Physical work has an end point. The dishes get washed, the lunch gets packed, and once it's done, it's done. But the kind of work a mother carries never really ends. There is always something running in her mind quietly in the background. Now, if you are a husband watching this, you might already be thinking, Doctor, I help. I cook sometimes, I shop, I wash dishes, I drop the kids to school. Wonderful. Please keep doing that. But can I ask you one small question? When you shop, who makes the list? When you drop the kids, who packs their bags? And who remembers the extra water bottle for a sports day? Let me show you the difference. When a father packs the school bag, he proudly announces, done. When a mother does it, she is already thinking about the PTM coming up next week. Think of it like the generator we switch on during a power cut. Everyone enjoys the lights, the fan, the AC. Nobody thinks about the generator. Nobody even notices it's there until it stops. Mothers are like that generator no one notices. Do you see what I'm saying? I met a mother recently who explained this better than I ever could. She said, Doctor, अगर मैं बीमार भी पड़ जाती हूँ ना, तो भी मेरा दिमाग घर का शेड्यूल चलाता रहता है, सिर्फ बॉडी बिस्तर पे होती है. That's what an unshared mental load feels like from the inside. So what could actually help her? Not more advice about take time for yourself. No. What genuinely could help is when someone else takes full responsibility for one or two areas of the house. Don't just help with a task. One whole area. Own that. All of it. The planning, the remembering, the doing. It could be the health of the elders at home, or the school communication for the kids, or even planning the meals for this week. Just pick one and let her head finally be free of that one thing, one part. Mothers don't get tired because they have to do everything. They get tired because they have to remember everything, plan everything. The moment even one part of that shifts, something will change. Because for the first time in a long while, a part of her mind will actually get to rest. To every husband watching this along with his wife, I am not asking you to do more chores this week. I am asking you to take over one full area completely so that it stops sitting in her head. This could genuinely be the greatest gift you can give her. And to all the mothers watching this alone right now, feeling a little understood, please know, this tiredness was never a sign that you are not managing well. If anything, it's proof of just how much you have been managing quietly all this time. Friends, if this video felt like it was speaking directly to your home, I want to invite you somewhere. I have a WhatsApp community for parents who don't just want to nod along and move on. Real, sincere, action-taking parents are who are invited to my community, who are genuinely trying to build a lighter, more connected home for their family. Come, be a part of it. Link is in the first comment. Best wishes.